Hey everybody, it's Super Mario Gaming Reactions today, and we're gonna check out another trailer because one of my favorite series at Campfire Cooking in Another World with my absurd skill. This is also my first time looking up the English name, but it's hands down one of my favorite manga. I love cooking anime, or cooking manga rather, and this is my S tier. This is my you cannot beat this, and Dungeon Meshi is probably a couple paces below it, which I heard is getting an adaptation by Trigger. Maybe there's a trailer I can check out for that. But for now, we are looking at Campfire Cooking in Another World with my absurd skill. And let me tell you, I am beyond excited to learn this exists. Alright, it's being done by MAPPA, who has already swept up my favorite series, Chainsaw Man, Jujutsu Kaisen, Attack on Titan, God of High School. They're gonna do Jigokuraku. They've got it down. They did Yuri on Ice. They've got everything, and now they fucking dare to sweep up another one of my favorite series, and are most likely going to pair it up with another one of my favorite musical artists, because apparently they've been doing that too. Can we get Tubaway on the opening for this series, please? Can we get Yama? You guys got Yama's number? Eve, can we get another Eve song for this? Please, I'm begging for fucking anything. But we are going to tuck in this trailer. I cannot wait to see Feru and Mukoda animated. Okay? Let's go.
これぞ奇跡。人々を苦しめる魔王の存在は俺だって許せない。
There's no subtitles, but I don't care.
我が国の平和のために力を貸してくれまいか。
私は勇者じゃないみたいですし、地味に暮らしていこうと思います。いいで。これを使えるぞ。金さえあれば食うに困らないし、このスキルで稼げるかもしれない。
気に入った。お主と契約してやろう。
スライム。
肉を多めにしてくれ。
多くて食えるのか。っていうか食っていいのか。
まだか。早く食わせろ。
Oh, the goddess, I don't remember her name, there's too many of them.
俺だってこの世界を見てみたい。
Is there no Dora? Are we not getting that far? Okay, whatever.
異世界放浪飯。
Oh, my baby. That's my child. Okay. Well, what really is there to say? What can be said? Okay, let's get into the after review. Alright, so I've had maybe 10 minutes to calm down here, because quite honestly, I am more excited for this than my own future. There is so much to say that I could be saying, so I'm gonna try to run through it orderly and nicely. First of all, it looks great. It sounds great, and they have perfectly captured the easygoing, lighthearted adventure in just the choice of color. I see those colors and I'm like, this is how it was always meant to look. And they've nailed it. It is just perfect. This is exactly what I would have wanted if this series was ever adapted. And quite honestly, for isekai series, that is a very hard thing to do. Even Shangri-La Frontier, which is about to come out, I was like, this looks great, but it wasn't what I was imagining. However, in the case of this series, it is absolutely perfect. And let me tell you how much I lost my fucking mind when I went to go look up who this familiar sounding voice cast is. the man who voices Mukoda. I literally have just heard him because he is voicing fucking Sanraku in Shangri-La. He is also the voice of Megumi from Jujutsu Kaisen. And holy shit, this man is about to embody my favorite protagonists. And speaking of fucking favorite protagonists, and favorite series in general, fucking Faru is being voiced by none other than the voice of a Lord Ainz Ul Gown. What the fuck? What the fuck? When I looked this up when I looked him up and I saw Ainz's name on his fucking credits, I passed out. My soul left my body. I woke up, blacked out. I was in the middle of the Midwest. I was naked. Somebody took all my fucking money. And I had to crawl all the way back home. That's how shocked I was. Fucking Sui is being voiced by Emu. What more is there to say? What more is there to say? Wonder Hoy. Okay. And the fucking goddess, what's her name? Fucking like Rinlil or some shit. I don't care, man. What the fuck is her name? Hold on. Okay, her name is Ninria. Is being voiced by fucking Rika from Trinibio, and also Angel the Angel Devil from Chainsaw Man. Fucking I'm what? Like what? Like you cannot. How does this happen? You take my favorite series, which by the way, I am a massive isekai fan. I'm the biggest fan of shit Sakai, and the entire reason I have been into this genre for years is strictly because of campfire cooking in another world with my absurd skill. This is the reason. And now it's been picked up by my favorite studio, who is known to work with my favorite musical artists, and now the characters are being voiced by people who have voiced my favorite characters. And it's just like, how do you go and just drop something perfect? How the fuck do you go and just give me something perfect? Did I mention that Mappa did Dorohedoro? I felt like I was forgetting one at the start. Maybe it was Dorohedoro. Anyways, it is incomprehensible, and I feel like to some level there's not much interest in the series from what I'm seeing, because Mappa's also coming out with Jikokuraku next year, and it's like I feel like everybody's attention's on that because everybody is sleeping on the fucking goat. Everyone is sleeping on fucking campfire cooking in another world with my absurd skill, because it feels like a treat for me. It feels like the perfect treat because not many people are going to be interested in this. But I swear to God, I hope that people are going to see this and they're just gonna go, wow. And we're gonna get fucking 5 seasons. This... I am wordless. I am wordless. And I could not be more excited for this to come out. Thank you, Mappa. Thank you, God. Thank you to Jesus Christ for ordaining this fate. Thank you to Akagishi K for illustrating the manga. Thank you to Momo Futaba for illustrating the spin-off. And this is the first Peak Sakai. This is what everybody's been waiting for. People have been scrounging the earth, licking up isekai garbage, and finally we are getting Shangri-La and campfire cooking in another world with my absurd skill. And bitches are not ready to see how good isekai can be. Thank you. This has been Super Mario Gaming Reactions, and I'll see you in the next one.